What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a payment method on StockX this 2025. Whether you're new to StockX or experiencing difficulties, this step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth setup for your buying and selling transactions. So let's begin. First, I open any web browsers that's available on your device, since all you need is a browser to do this. For me, I use the Brave browser. Now, after you open any web browser, go to the StockX website and click the search bar on your device. Type in StockX.com. On StockX, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. After you log into the website, point your cursor at the Profile tab, which is located at the top right of the website screen. Beside the Notification tab, a menu will appear. Just click the Wallet tab. Below the Profile tab, while we are in the Wallet tab, click the Edit button in the Buying Info section. From here, it's up to you which one you want to use as a payment method for buying an item, especially for Snickers. Adding a payment method on StockX is a straightforward process that enables you to engage in buying and selling effortlessly. Remember to keep your payment information updated and verify any transactions as needed. Now that your payment method is set up, you're ready to explore the StockX marketplace. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.